If someone can leave you easily, like really easily, no shaking voice, no second thoughts, no looking back, it's not because you were hard to love. It's because replacing you didn't cost them anything. And that hurts more than rejection. Because rejection says, you weren't chosen, but replacement says, you were never rare. Think about it. You didn't get cheated on and betrayed dramatically. You just got swapped quietly, like an app being deleted. One day you mattered. Next day you're a memory they don't even revisit. And the worst part is, you keep asking yourself what you did wrong, when the truth is darker. Modern relationships don't break because of arguments anymore. They break because you became emotionally cheap. Not cheap as a person, but cheap in the brain. Because we live in a world where attention is unlimited, where someone better is always one swipe away, where dopamine resets faster than attachment can form. So your brain stops bonding deeply. It starts sampling people instead, tasting, discarding, replacing. And when someone knows they can replace you without emotional withdrawal, without loneliness, without pain, they stop treating you carefully, because the human brain only protects what feels costly to lose. That's why caring more doesn't save relationships anymore. It kills them, because now you're the one with more to lose. And in psychology, the person who fears loss more always loses power. Every time. That's why you're the one double texting, over-explaining, apologizing for things you didn't even do, while they stay calm, distant, unbothered, not because they're confident, but because emotionally, they already know they'll be fine without you. And that realization alone changes how they treat you. Respect doesn't come from love first. It comes from perceived value, from scarcity, from the quiet understanding that your absence would actually hurt. And if your absence changes nothing, if your silence doesn't disturb their peace, then no amount of love will make them stay. Gen Z hates hearing this, but it's true. Kindness without boundaries feels like background noise. Availability without scarcity feels disposable. And loyalty without leverage feels invisible. That doesn't mean you're broken. It means the environment changed. You're playing old-school attachment in a dopamine economy, where people chase novelty, not depth, stimulation, not connection. And when you give everything to someone who risks nothing, the relationship isn't equal. It's lopsided. You're attached. They're entertained. And one day entertainment gets boring. So they move on, fast, clean, guilt-free, and you're left thinking you weren't enough. When the truth is, you were just too easy to replace. So no, you're not hard to love, but in a world where everyone is always available, always replying, always emotionally open, being good isn't rare anymore. And what isn't rare isn't protected. If losing you doesn't hurt, if your absence doesn't echo, if your silence doesn't change their behavior, then the relationship was already over. You just didn't know it yet.